Welcome to a timestamp day in the life of a 26-year-old working full-time in biotech and part-time as an influencer living in Boston. Today is a very exciting day because I am picking up my new car after work. To mention, it is literally my dream car. I got up around 6:45 to make my bed, and there's Frank waking up as well. Not really the best at helping, but he does like to be part of it. Afterwards, I headed to the kitchen to get started on breakfast. It's simple for myself today. I just made a yogurt bowl with some strawberries, granola, and honey. Side note, the honey Greek yogurt from Trader Joe's is so good. This is my first time trying it. I just put my strawberries back in these willing food storage container. And I went ahead and fed Frank his breakfast. He's currently on this prescription kibble, which hopefully the vet gives us the okay to get off of soon. Always mix in a little bit of water with that to let it soak. And then afterwards, Frank and I headed out to the patio just to get a little bit of sunshine. Loves it out here. Even when it's like 90 degrees, he like begs to go out. Then I just grabbed this little jacket to take him out on a walk. Did our usual loop around the water and of course took plenty of breaks because it was very hot out. And then from 8 to 12, I sit down to start my full-time job. Just had a couple meetings and worked on some projects. Then for my lunch break, I went to clean out my old car. I've had this car for 10 years. I bought it in high school. It's the first and only car I've ever had. Why am I like actually sad that I'm getting rid of it? Then I just worked the rest of the day until it was time to go pick up my new car at 5:30. This like really feels surreal. My old car did not even have a backup camera. But yeah, this is the new car. It is a Range Rover Velar. It is exactly what I wanted. I am so happy with my decision, but that's it.